Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the finals login failed at 500 problem. Let's fix it guys. The problem could be either from our end or the game servers. Today I will show you guys how to resolve the problem if it's caused by us. The first solution is to disable firewall and change the finals compatibility settings. We disable the firewall because it may be prevent the finals. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. In control panel, you just need to select system and security. Select Windows Defender Firewall. On left side, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it. Now you just need to turn it off, both of it guys, public network and private network. We only need to do this when we want to play the game. To change the finals compatibility settings, you just need to click on OK, save it, and just go to Steam. Now you just need to right click on the finals and select manage and select browse local files. Opens up file explorer. In here you just need to right click on the discovery and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark disable full screen optimizations and run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. After checkmarking both of it, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the solution does not work for you, revert the finals compatibility settings back to default. Just uncheck these options, and now let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to add a launch option and clear Steam's download cache. To add launch option, you just need to open up Steam. In here you just need to right click on the finals and select properties. In launch options, you just need to check my video description for this launch options code, copy it, and you just need to paste it. Just click on outside and that will be saved guys. Now just close it off here. To clear Steam's download cache, you just need to click on Steam tab over here and select settings. In here you just need to select downloads, select clear cache, select confirm. After doing this, Steam will automatically restart and ask us to log back into our account. After logging to your account, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the issue persists, we will move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to reset our internet and change our DNS. The problem may be related to our internet connection, and if that's the case, this solution can help resolve the issue guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. You just need to right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator, and you just need to select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to copy and paste these codes guys. I will give these codes in the description. You just need to copy it one by one and paste it in. These codes won't it harm our computer guys. Now let's change our DNS. To do this, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select network and internet. Select network and sharing center. Now you just need to select our internet. Now you just need to select properties and double click on the internet protocol version 4. You just need to select this option guys. Use the following DNS server addresses. In here you just need to type 8888 and 8844. After typing it, select OK to save changes. These are Google's DNS addresses guys, and they are completely safe to use guys. After doing this, you just need to close it off here. Now we need to restart our computer guys for the changes take effect. After restarting our PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, it means that the problem is caused by the server. In this case, either the server is down or the servers are full. Some users on Reddit were able to log in by constantly trying to log in. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do other than wait. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.